What's up, everyone? I'm going to take you along with me today on the process of mapping out my new kit since I've added the new kick drum. And this is a brand new 6x9 foot rug, where the previous rug with my single kick setup was a 5x6. And I'll be using Gorilla Tape on the go that is 1 inch wide. First, we're going to start with the front section, which will be all of the bass drum legs or bass drum spurs. And I try to put at least 4 pieces of tape down to make a perfect little square for every foot to fit in, or every spur. As you can tell, the footage has been sped up. I'm only going to do specific sections so I don't bore you all. After looking for a drum rug online, everything was so expensive and it was hard to find something that would be big enough to accommodate this full kit until I finally found one on Amazon, and this was only $59, and I will provide the link in the description so you can find this if you'd like to purchase one also. So for those of you who are not familiar with mapping out a kit on the rug like this, it just makes setup so much faster whenever you're playing shows. It's a breeze to just get in there and have everything set up beforehand, and then you just fit the pieces of the puzzle in. Moving along to behind the kit, this is where a lot of tape is going to go down, where you see a lot of legs, and everything is about precision, making sure I've sat behind the kit and got everything set up exactly the way that I want it, because this is going to be a permanent setup. And I had a little issue with my memory card where I lost the process of doing that. I actually had a time-lapse video that I was going to start off with that ended up not working. So maybe I'll be able to show you at the next show that I play the process of at least setting it back up again and breaking it down. Now for the last step, which is going to be getting the throne set just in the right spot, to equal distance from my legs to the pedals, and the snare placed just perfectly in the middle. For those familiar with seeing people who map out their kits, a lot of times you'll see fluorescent tape like pink or neon green or yellow. And I just wanted to do something that was stealth, that would blend in with all the black, because most of our gear, everything is black, and this tape sticks really well. I've not had any issues with it. And the final product, I'm going to take you completely from behind the kit all the way around and let you see everything that's mapped out. And this was a very relaxing process as well. I didn't really have any music on or anything going on the TV, and just chilling out, mapping everything out, and thinking about how thankful I am to have the opportunity to play drums and music with people, and the opportunity to have such nice equipment that I've acquired over the years. And just very grateful for this.